Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to continue the lesson. In previous class, we learned introduction about the father of the nation. In that class, we learned who is Mahatma Gandhi and why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? Why do we call him as a father of the nation? We learned introduction about that. Now we continue that lesson. So in previous class we stopped here. Now there is in Puja she saw the photo of Mahatma Gandhi. Her class teacher showed her in the class. So now Mrs. Roy, she is asking, she is given information that nearby your school there is a statue of Mahatma Gandhi. So now Kavita asked, but in the photo and the statue, okay, there is a statue of Gandhiji at the junction near your school. So nearby your school there is a Mahatma Gandhi statue nearby the junction. So Kavita, but in the photo and the statue, okay, she is asked, but in the photo itself or in the statue, Gandhiji is off necked. He is not wear full dress. He is wear only off dress. Why did not he wear good clothes? So now Kavita asked her mom, in the photo itself or in the statue or in the textbook, anywhere, okay, we have seen without the full dress of Gandhiji in the photo or in the statue or movie. Why he did not wear good clothes? What is the reason? For that, her mom said, Mrs. Roy. So in the beginning itself, that means when he was young, when Gandhiji was young, he was wearing good clothes, costly. He was a lawyer. He was a lawyer. So when he was going into the college or any party, that time he was wearing good clothes, costly clothes, because he was belongs to the rich family. His father was a rich. So that time he was wear all good clothes and costly clothes. But nowadays he did not wear. Why? After that he did not wear. Why? What is the reason? So because Gandhiji wore good clothes when, okay, Gandhiji wore good clothes when he was young. So when he was teenager, that time he was studied in school or college or law practice. That time he was wearing good clothes. But when he grew up, when he crossed that teenage, when he grew up, that means when he become mature, he stopped wearing good and costly clothes. So after when he matured, that time he stopped wearing good clothes and costly. Costly means expensive. Costly means expensive clothes he stopped to wear. So now again she have a doubt. Why he stopped? Why did he stop to wear good clothes and costly clothes? What is the reason? So again Pooja asked her mom, why mummy? Why did he stop? What is the reason? He could have continued to wear good clothes and costly, then he looked good, no? So why did he stop to wear good clothes and costly? What is the reason? She wants to know why. So Mrs. Roy, because when Gandhiji grew up, he came to know that the people of our country were very poor. So when he matured, when he finished her education and when he finished his practice of law, then he came to India. Then he saw our country people. That time he come to know our country peoples are very poor. They did not have money to purchase good clothes and costly clothes. So he felt very sad. In my country, there are my brothers and sisters. Even they did not wear good clothes and costly clothes. Why should I? So he stopped to wear good clothes and costly clothes. When our country developed, when our country people are wear good clothes and costly clothes, then maybe he thought that then I should wear. So he stopped to wear. They had no money to buy good and costly dresses. So Gandhiji stopped wearing costly clothes. Yes, when he came India, when he saw our country people, they were very poor. They did not have money to purchase good clothes and costly clothes. But I wear good clothes and costly clothes. So without them, why should I wear good clothes and costly? So he stopped. So that means he loved poor people. So Pooja asked, that means Gandhiji loved the poor. Yes, because of that only he stopped to wear. So, see, if we are not wear good clothes, costly clothes, if we are going any party or if comes any festivals among our friends, if we do not wear good clothes, costly clothes, we'll feel ashamed and we feel shy to mingle with them. Then we thought that they are wear good clothes, they are wearing costly clothes, they are have the expensive things. Yes, no? We thought that, but he did not feel anything else. Among the people, for any parties or any political meetings, he went as it is. That time also, he did not wear good clothes, costly clothes. Anywhere, he went as it is, half-naked. But nowadays, we feel ashamed. We did not bother about others. Even if they are wear good clothes, costly clothes, we want that. Yes, no? Why should I also buy like that? Yes, no? But we are not bothered about our among surrounding peoples, whether they are some peoples they did not have clothes to wear, they did not have money, they did not have food. It's not they did not have enough food, but we are not bothered about them. But Gandhiji, he worried the poor people. That poor people belongs to our country. This is my country. Okay, even my country people did not wear good clothes. Why should I wear good clothes? Then he stopped to wear good clothes. Pooja, that means Gandhiji loved the poor. Yes, he loved the poor people. That's why he stopped to wear good clothes and costly clothes. Yes, my dear children, nowadays we are spending many more monies to our extra celebrations and unnecessary we spend more money for. Okay, so for that you may save some money in a particular day, maybe your birthday or some festivals, Diwali, like a Holi. That time you may give close to your surrounding. If anybody is poor, you can give to them, they will also enjoy. Okay, so Kavita, yes, our teacher told us the same. So Kavita said that yes, how you are telling mummy, like that same my class teacher also told yesterday about Gandhiji. All who love Gandhiji must love the poor. So those who are love Gandhiji, those who are follow Gandhiji's, okay, they must love the poor people. That means we are love the Gandhiji, so we should love poor people. That means how much we can help the poor people, we should help them. Okay, not always. If any festivals or your birthdays, you should help in one person or two. They will also enjoy, they will happy. Mrs. Roy, Pooja, go and see who has come. So that time their house bell is ring. So her mom said to Pooja, please Pooja, go and open the door and see who is there outside. And Pooja, she opened the door and she saw her father. Then she said, Mummy, that is the father. And Kavita asked her father, Hi Papa, you are not going to office tomorrow, are you? Then she asked, Daddy, tomorrow you are not going to the office now because tomorrow is a holiday. So she knows now something about the Gandhiji. Why should we celebrate Gandhiji and Gandhi Jayanti? Who is Gandhi? So now she knows. So she asked her father. So for her holiday means for her, she knows that our fathers also tomorrow is a holiday. She asked that, yes daddy, tomorrow is a holiday now. What is our plan? What are you going to do tomorrow? Tomorrow is a holiday. Shall we go outing? Shall we go anywhere? Then our father replied, Mr. Roy. Now her father, Kavita and Pooja, their father enter into the home after the office timing. Tomorrow is a holiday. Yes, tomorrow is a holiday, but we are going out to do some social work. Yes, tomorrow is a Gandhi Jayanti, tomorrow is a holiday, but I will not in the house. I am going out to do some social works. So again Kavita has a confused. What is social works? Tomorrow is a holiday, that means there is no office. You could have spent with us your time. Then why should go out and do social works? Then Kavita asks, what are you going to do tomorrow, Papa? What is, she has a confused, what is social works? What they are going to do? Social works means what they are going to do tomorrow. And Kavita, what are you going to do tomorrow, Papa? Mr. Roy, tomorrow we are going to distribute clothes among the poor children. They have no clothes to wear. Yes, tomorrow is a Gandhi Jayanti. So we love Gandhiji. So Gandhiji, because of the poor people, they did not have money. So they did not purchase costly clothes and good clothes. That's why he stopped to wear good clothes and costly clothes. So we are love Gandhiji. So for that tomorrow we are going to do distribute some clothes among the poor children. That is the social work he is going to do tomorrow. So Pooja, now I know you are doing that because it is Gandhi Jayanti tomorrow. So now Pooja she is telling that I know that why you are going to do tomorrow, because tomorrow is a Gandhi Jayanti. We are love Gandhiji, so we have to do something for the poor people tomorrow. That's why you are going to distribute the clothes among the poor children. And Pooja, Mr. Roy, that's right. How do you know all this? Because she is a small child like you. So you are also don't know much about Gandhiji. So like you are, Pooja also very small, but she knows now about Gandhiji and why we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. So that's why she gave reply to her father, I know that why you are going to do distribute clothes tomorrow. So now Mr. Rai happy that how she knows that. So he asked, that's right, yes, you're thinking that's right, but how do you know that? Tomorrow is a Gandhi Jayanti, how do you know that? Mummy and Kavita told me everything about Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so now Pooja said to her father, yes dad, I know more about Gandhiji and why we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, because Mummy and Kavita, that Kavita her sister, so they both are said to me everything about Mahatma Gandhi, and she says that thank you to her mom and her sister. Thank you Mummy, thank you Kavita, because you shared many things about Mahatma Gandhi with me. I know very well about Mahatma Gandhi, who is why we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. Now she knows more about Gandhiji. And Kavita, you are welcome Pooja. You are welcome Pooja, because Kavita is a 12 years old and Pooja is a 9 years old. So that means Kavita knows something about Gandhiji. But now Kavita and Pooja, they know very well about Mahatma Gandhi, because her mom said everything about Mahatma Gandhi and why we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, my dear children, how Mr. Roy distribute clothes among the poor children. Likewise, we also have to do. We are love the Gandhiji, so we have to do something for the poor people. I hope you will help to the poor people. Thank you and have a nice day.